What's up? We're back at Paloma. It's super. Oh, I don't like that bad. It's super ashy out here in the 559. Yeah, we're staying the night. It's ugly outside, so we're keeping the windows closed. You can kind of see up there a little bit. It looks hazy and foggy, but that's just nasty smoke. So we're gonna keep Cheeky's inside, let him chill. Yeah. Brought the goods from home. This is our bag we bring up here all the time. And what a lot of people don't realize is when you're gone, even for like a week, everything gets so fudging dirty. So you gotta clean it all up. I mean, it's disgusting. Like if you just stand still, you can see the soot flying in the air. It's like really bad. I barely put the speaker out here for a second, and it's already getting covered in soot. Like, it looks like little snowflakes. It's bad. But yeah, this is us gonna enjoy it as much as we possibly can. Gonna cook, stay the night, work, do the thing, enjoy ourselves. Chefs is barbecuing some hot dogs for lunch.
Where do you want me to put your stuff?
Stuff for chili cheese dogs.
My idea.
Charging up the solar lights before we lay them out. Got some new ones just to put on our path over there. A little along the front. We need to seriously clear all that up. These things are going home. My plant is just dead.
Don't buy any for here no more.
Oh, I'm not. They don't live. It's too hot. So I'm gonna take it home and see if I can revive it. Got our freezer. And our fridge. These are always in here. I don't know if they go rotten, but all our good stuff. I bring the chili from home. Creamer for the morning. Orange juice for the morning. And this is how it's done. Chep is the only one eating like this though, because me and Son don't like chili cheese dogs. But here you go, baby. Umbrellas. I told the random 2 viewers that you were gonna be like, what the fuck? What did you notice different?
All this shit. Where's our table?
What table?
I'm so done.
Look at what I did though.
What?
Look behind your barbecue pit.
I see that. Oh, you screwed it? I heard all the screwing. You found the bit?
How'd I do?
Did you find the bit?
And I secured it with the bungee.
How? You went over it?
Don't even trip. Looks good, huh?
Yeah, but where's my bit at?
It's on the drill.
You found it?
Yeah. After working all day at the cabin, looking a hot mess, I mean, we finally get to fish. I love fishing. Gonna make some rice. That oil's probably hella old. I've had it up here since we've been coming.
Well, it's oil, homegirl. Chili them.
You always have to have chili. Always gotta have the frijoles. Always gotta have that rice. Take you forever to cook, babe. Remind me to bring my rice pan next time. So we had a visitor last night. Or visitors. I don't know. We've left food out before in trash and we never had this problem. And remember my umbrella? But it's so strange because like that's bent to shit. Look how bent this is. Like what could have done that? Like did something crawl up this fucking side? Day 2 at the cabin. And today we're definitely gonna play. Our neighbor came over last night, so we had some drinks, just chilled, ate, and just relaxed and hung out. So this is what our morning's looking like today. All right, so this morning we're going to have bacon, papas. So usually I bring the frozen papas because they're so much easier and convenient. But I didn't have any more at home. This is all I had. So we're gonna have to cut this bad boy up, cook them in here. Of course, you know, they use 2 seasonings, the Lawry's and the garlic, or I mean the seasoning salt and the garlic. Gonna make some tortillas. And we used all of my homemade, I had boiled beans before we came out here, but I refried them last night. So we're gonna have to use the canned ones. And those are frozen from last night. So no, we are not drinking those, we're going to have coffee. So yeah, let's have breakfast. My handsome baby. Alright, finally got the coffee. You know, we always gotta have that sugar-free vanilla. Got the papas going. The bacon. Waiting for our outlet to turn on or open up so I can make the beans. I gotta fix this damn umbrella. Oh, Dad's exploring. Hey, intruder. Be careful, babe. All right, we got little smokies. The papas are finishing up. Got bacon. Just gotta do the tortillas and the beans. If you ever come camping or you're cooking outdoors or just in general and you don't have a bean smasher, use a flat spatula. This shit's no joke on your arm or shoulder, but it gets the job done. Promise. Tortillas and on ass breakfast.
Hey, babe, so what the hell does Beaches do here?
Hey, show my food.
Breakfast at the cabin.